I built a complete mobile app in one day. No coding skills, no developer, just free AI tools. First, I used Claude to plan the app. I asked it to turn my idea into a simple app with only the 5 most important features. In 30 seconds, Claude created the entire feature list and saved me hours of overthinking. Next, I used Figma free templates to design the app screens. No design experience needed. Then I opened ChatGPT and asked it to generate the complete app code using React Native. I pasted the code into Expo Snack. The app started running instantly in my browser and on my phone. Finally, I used Expo tools to publish the app to the Play Store. Total cost? Just the Play Store fee. A complete working app built in one day using free AI tools. What used to cost thousands now costs almost nothing. Claude for planning, Figma for design, ChatGPT for coding, Expo for testing. Follow the AI Buddy for more AI tutorials that actually work.